Hey, Ingrid here with the Open Journey. I have to show you something. I did a few things here. As you know, the kit Do You Love Me launched Saturday, and I'm getting a journal ready to work with this kit. And I want to show you, well, I wanted to do just one, of course, and I got so many pages ready that actually was enough for 3. So first I wanted to do this one. So I got these books from a thrift store. I just collected them over time. I didn't find it. I think I found this a couple of years ago. It was so beautiful. The Lamp in the Desert. That's perfect for a name for Jesus, right? And inside, so I got these cool pages ready to work with. This is like the packaging from the tickets, from the add-on pack. So you can feel free to use it. It looks really cool. Little like old envelopes. I think that's gonna go there over the address. And in here, I made this tag for the Advent kit a couple of years ago when I was going through the names of Jesus. So I have that in there. So I use the journaling cards from the kit to make the journal. I just trimmed it a little bit because this cover was a little bit smaller than 8 inches, so it's like 7 inches. There are jelly plate, some old journal pages, a song of praise there. This is one of the cards, the Bible verse cards, some vellum, more cool pages. So it looks really beautiful, very appealing. Invites you to just sit down and journal and get creative. Lamp in the Desert, this is how it looks like. And this says Chorus of Praise. So it was a collection of old praise songs. Here, Chorus of Praise, Sunday School, Young People's Meeting. So I made this into a booklet. Put some old pages, again the packaging from the tickets and the add-on. This is the envelope that the tickets come in. Like this comes in. I could even keep it in there. And just various fun pages. This is the packaging from the kit itself. I'm gonna have to glue it here on the bottom so I can put things in it. Oh yes, I wanted to have this image in there, but it ended up being in here. I was doing this at 3 a.m. so you know. This is the packaging from I'm gonna have a few sewn floral elements, and in my shop. So there, it all looks really fun. There. So this is journal number 2 and journal number 3. Oh my gosh, I had these covers made for some other journal. They're just laying under the cinch machine. So I was like, oh, perfect. And this is great because it is the size of the kit. So I put the pocket inside. So therefore I can put the devotional in there. Devotional is a little bit smaller than this. I don't know where it is right now, but devotional will fit in there. Found it here. So the devotional goes in there. Perfect. Another journaling card from the kit with praise songs and all kinds of cool pieces of paper I saved over time. One of the Bible verse cards, journaling card. I know they're all different sizes and stuff, but that's fine with me. Actually, I like the layered look, gives it like depth. One of the Bible verse cards from the Do You Love Me kit. I really love this one. some the pieces of fabric I snuck in there. This looks very pretty. This is from an old school ledger. I love this sound so much. Anyway, just want to share this with you. I do want to do something on the cover on this, so I think this is, I'm going to show you how I'm going to prep the cover or what I'm going to do with it. Some white here. Yeah, I'm going to put some white on the cover, and then I'm going to come with some collages over and maybe come with white again. Don't worry about it too much. There are refills for some sort of notebook. I typed in Psalm 18 here. I love you, Lord, you are my strength. I'll rip them out, and I think that's gonna go here. I don't know, we'll see. Might not turn out the way I imagine it would, but it's okay. Oh my gosh, it's so much fun doing these. They're awesome elements. I love those. And that's it. I think this is my cover. But I realized I didn't use the stamps at all, and these are such a cool element. Let's try this. I hope I'm not gonna ruin it. Let's look at this. I'm not gonna that one thought there. There. All right. Go there. There. And there you go. So the little charms came in. So I attached them to the journals, and I added the ribbon that I wanted to be wrapped around, so holds everything together, especially if I have loose items in the journal. So this is how they look like. I usually put a string of beads and a cross, and you can get this hardware. This is really cool. You can get this hardware from like Michael's, any Hobby Lobby, any jewelry, and you can hook it easily to wherever you want it to be. If you got this in the past, just want to show you there's a little difference. There's a film on this. Okay, so it's there, it's a protective film, and if you then take it off, there's quite a difference. It's kind of a milky, you know, it's obstructing. So there is this film, right? And you'll see after it, the colors are much more vibrant after you take it off. And it's there just to protect the surface. So these are really nice. I really like them. So great little charms for your journals. These journals turned out great. I just added this, as I said, this ribbon for each one. You can keep your charm in place too. This one turned out beautiful as well. So I added the ribbon and the charm, and for this one I added a blue. These are exactly the ribbons that come with the kit, the blue and the off-white. just to see how it looks like. Yeah, it looks beautiful. And a little reminder who you belong to. So I'm gonna have this in the shop as well, along with, hang on for a sec. All right, along with, I made so many of these. These are so beautiful. So these go with the add-on pack, like this. I managed to put my fingerprint on that one. So like this, go with the second part of the kit, the add-on. Oh, this would even look beautiful on the cover here. But I wanted to make this available like 1, 2, 3 in this pretty designed card. So I'm gonna have these in the shop as well. So I'm gonna nicely put them in there. And this is how they're gonna come. 3 mixed media, and just imagine this will look so cool in journaling. I love those so much. And so let's say it will, they have you know, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4 sometimes pieces of fabric sewn together, has a little bit of a bulk to it. Not much, but just a tiny bit. And look at that. So a little bit, I might use it on on every page. My journals will be fat. Well, my journals will be really big. All right, so yeah, this is the idea. So it's gonna be lovely. All right, I just want to share this with you. So I'm gonna have the sewn florals and the charms in the shop later, right after this video. So thank you, and please enjoy. God bless.